This is really cool. So at our new shop, we decided to change the logo. We didn't change the logo, we decided to like revise it, make it a little bit more modern. What do you think? Cool, huh? I like it a lot. It looks a little more up to date. This is a freaking cool poster. Ooh, what a nice frame. It's like aluminum and everything. It's a Cybertruck. It's like the schematics of it, like the blueprint. We're still obviously in the process of decorating. The walls are still kind of bare, so I think we're gonna do some stuff. Even though we can serve all cars from terms of like collision, things like that, we do a lot of Teslas just because we just naturally do a lot, especially at our original shop. So it sort of makes sense that we also do a lot of Teslas when it comes to like bodywork. We want to decorate the place to have a lot of Teslas. We got a little like, you know, Tesla car here. Guys, remember not too long ago we showed you this car? It wasn't painted, it was just gray, it was primer. Look at it now. This is a transformation. This gloss black looks amazing. Wow, there's nothing like a nice new paint job, you know, it's all shiny and mirror-like. Talk about night and day difference. Wow, beautiful. Anyway, time to leave. Wait, so we are wrapping the bottom of the lower bumper in all black?
No, just this area. Couldn't show you it's gonna look like an Audi. Yeah. Picture like an Audi, right? You have the main vent in the center, and you have the two vents on the side. That's what he wants to make it look like. He wants to make these look like vents. It's amazing.
Are you excited to see what it's gonna look like, Dustin?
I know what it's gonna look like.
You do?
It's gonna look like Audi. I don't like Germans.
Incredible precision. The light shining on the blade's tip.
Hey, you can't show them what the f is your deal.
I'm definitely getting more of a European vibe with the front end now. Very Porsche Boxer-like, and it breaks up a lot of white at the bottom. The front bumper is really soft and round, so this gives it some edginess. Dustin, if the Purge existed, would you go out to purge?
Ooh, would I purge other people? I wouldn't purge, but if anybody came around, they're getting purged.
I love how he sips the cup right after, though. Literally, the front door's right there. He's like this. Has his gun right here, this way.
I would set mad traps.
You be home alone?
They'd be death traps. And I would enjoy it. Like, if they got caught up in a trap, it'd be like, this is nice.
Okay. Look at this cool freaking Audi color. It's like a light forest green, army green. Right here you see a little bit of bronze. This is my favorite color. Hands down, my favorite color of all time. We're doing a Clearbra on this. I mean, this color is so unique. You want to protect it. You want to make sure it looks this good forever and ever.
See the gold bronze in it, dude. It's, yeah, fuck. Like I'm so happy he didn't choose wood.
Well, I would be cool with that because it looks very foresty. Dude, imagine this on a Defender.
Oh, yeah. Imagine this on a G-Wagon or a Ranger.
Oh!
This color makes the car.
The color's called District Green.
District Green. Does this look like a District Green to you?
No, it looks like a Nardo Green. Yeah. Yeah.
No, I'm not taking that. Forest Metallic Bronze Green.
No, why can't we just come up with a new name? Oolong Green, you know?
Oh, I'm down with Oolong Green. I have no words for this color.
It's
so
beautiful.
Nice.
Dude, this color, bronze wheels.
Okay, that's...
Oh!
No, let's not say that because that's another level of nice.
So for this, we're going to be Clearbra the full front end. We're also going to be adding the A-pillars and the top portion of the roof. So pretty much the full front is going to get covered. If you buy an Audi and this color is an option, you have to get it. It's so freaking beautiful. In my opinion, it's Audi's best color yet. I know the camera isn't going to do it justice, but there's so much depth to the green. Unfortunately, this wasn't how it came from the dealership. We did have to do a paint correction, which is why it looks so blindingly shiny. Paint looks clearer. You can see the bronze flakes popping everywhere now. The front end is also wrapped entirely, and you might not know this, but some of the colors hide Clearbra edges a lot better than others. This is one of them. It already looks virtually invisible, but this just takes it to a whole new level. So the hood, the fenders, the front bumper, the mirrors, the A-pillars, and the front end of the roof, all protected. The film just disappears when you lay it on the green. To lock everything in, the entire car is ceramic coated to give the ultimate shine, and it's hydrophobic of course, so it'll be easy to clean when the time comes. Oh, that That is so nice. Freaking rose gold. ADV1 wheels, flow spec. Whoa, this is a flow spec wheel? Oh my god! So for those of you who don't know, flow spec is ADV1's entry level wheel. And the reason why I'm so surprised by this is because there's a lot of details to this wheel. Like the fact that this is an entry level wheel blows my mind. And most wheels from any brand, they're very simple, right? Because they're trying to save weight, save time, save cost. The fact that you have these really cool design struts in the spokes, this is amazing. And the finish itself too, like this is normally a custom forged wheel finish. And look, it's brushed too on the faces. Dude, this looks like a forged wheel. You getting all the cool aesthetic benefits you would getting a forged wheel, but at a much lower cost. Like, do you guys see the center cap? There's cutouts in it. And this is not plastic, guys. This is aluminum. They have engraved not fake. That's hilarious. So right now what we're doing is we're ceramic coating all of these wheels, a lot of cracks and crevices for dirt and grime to just kind of sit. So what the ceramic coating is going to do is it's going to make the surface a little bit slicker so things don't stick so easily. So when you're cleaning it, washing it, it should come right off a lot more effortlessly. Brake dust would just kind of sit in here and it just kind of gets stuck. So that's going to help with that. You guys remember this Tesla Model 3? You might if you've watched some of our earlier vlogs. The reason it's in is because we're actually going to be lowering the car on some Novatech lowering springs right there, ready to go. We're unboxing that as we speak. So those rose gold 81 wheels are going on this Model 3. Color scheme is gonna be amazing. Gray with like this pinkish gold. I love Novatech's yellow springs. Cool pop of color. What do you think?
So sick. A1. Oh my lord. Looks so much better. Perfect, HAYWOOD'S. Thank you.
It looks good, man. As far as flow forged wheels go, ADV1's Flow Spec series is one of the best out there in terms of quality, design, and options. These wheels are freaking rose gold. Great matchup with the matte gray, giving you that contrast between subtlety and elegance. That is it for the vlog. Appreciate you guys coming along with us on the ride. We got more vlogs coming your way, so stay tuned. And if you want us to work on your car, we would love to. Our contact info is in the description down below. And if you haven't yet, follow us on TikTok. We have a TikTok account. We sometimes go live on there, so if you guys want to see us go live and see what's happening in real time, check us out. Follow us on there. I will see you guys next time.
Yes! Sorry, that's a big no-no for me. Are you serious?
You like Chick-fil-A sauce over Raising Cane sauce?
Hell yeah, dude.
What is wrong with you?
Dude.
We're almost not winning that popular argument.
Chick-fil-A sauce, don't get me wrong, but I would not take it over cane sauce.
Yeah, I don't trust someone who says that, man. You're sus as fuck.